I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must use the account that owns the form. Sign in now and open the Forms app or Forms. Google.com in your phone browser. Once done, find the exact form in your My Forms list and tap it to open the editor. Make sure to do this on a stable connection so saves and settings load correctly. This is the starting point because only form owners or collaborators can view individual answers. You cannot access others' responses unless you have permission. With the form open, tap the Responses tab to access collected data. This is where how answers are stored and displayed. Once inside, switch between Summary for overall stats, Question for per question breakdown, and Individual to see each submission. This is how you inspect specific answers. If you need offline access, tap the three-dot menu to export responses to Google Sheets or download a CSV. Exporting preserves data and lets you analyze or share results securely with collaborators. To see a single respondent's answers, open Individual View and use the arrows to move between entries. This shows exactly what each submitter entered. If responses aren't appearing, refresh the page, clear browser cache, or reopen the form. Sometimes mobile browsers lag. Make sure the form has response collection enabled. If others need access, add them as collaborators rather than sharing account credentials. This keeps access legitimate and auditable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.